first time ever on a hike. I always thought the mountains were for skiing. We only started about 10 minutes ago. I'm already tired and realizing how out of shape I am. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm already loving it. Today is about 5 hours of climbing, and that's the easy part. Because the difficult part comes tomorrow, where we go down for a different route. About 40 minutes into it, I'm beat. Heart rushing, sweating, forgot my sunglasses, don't care. I'm loving it a lot more than I thought I would.